Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, welcome if you are new here. This is Baby Banyu Baby and today you are watching my video.
Hi guys, this is Banyu Baby Banyu. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome.
To get up for work now. Oh my god, I did not sleep at all. हम लेट हो गया था थोड़ा सा कैब का वजह से, तो मैंने भाग के आया। थैंक गॉड हम लेट नहीं हुए। आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ फ्लाइट नाउ. बोर्डिंग विल बी स्टार्टिंग इन फ्यू मिनट्स.
सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखें। कृपया अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाएं और डिपार्चर टाइम से GOA, your preferred airline, and giving us the opportunity to serve you today.
Cup of black coffee. My god, guys, abhi mein where am I? Where are we? Where am I? Kahi to hu.
Kerala.
Oh yeah, we're in Tamil Nadu. मेरा दिमाग ही नहीं चल रहा है गाइस, क्योंकि मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं सोया, 1 मिनट भी नहीं सोया. Tried sleeping for like 6 hours. I was trying to sleep but I could not sleep. उसके बाद अभी मैं फ्लाइट में हूँ. फर्स्ट फ्लाइट तो हो गया. Now this is my second flight. We are waiting for boarding. उसके बाद हम वापस हैदराबाद जाएंगे. उसके बाद हैदराबाद में थोड़ा देर रुकने के बाद we are going to Goa next. So it's going to be a very long day for me. That's why I'm having black coffee, a lot of black coffee. This is my second black coffee, guys. If I calculate, I think I'll be awake for more than 24 hours after I'm done for the flight. So, यही चल रही जिंदगी में अभी, guys. Alright, because boarding start हो रहा है. Bye. Having my first meal of the day, which is waffle. Hi everyone. It's about to be 11 and we are still awake like zombies. So अभी हमें यहाँ पे 1 घंटा और आधा वेट करना पड़ेगा फ्लाइट लैंड होने के लिए. So we'll have to just sit here for 1 hour or something until our flight lands. See you guys later after this. Okay, I'm fine. Kenshana. Hello guys, and this is our room. The best thing is these balcony. We've got the best view, I guess. See, there's a kabutar. Oh sorry, crow. Yeah, पहली बार हम crow इतना सामने से देख रहे हैं. Oi! Kawa. Okay guys, long story short, I'm going out right now. And I'm going to go to this Catholic church, which is here, very famous in Goa. So me and one of my crew, we are going. Hi guys, it's going to be fun. मैंने अभी बिल्कुल नहीं सोया guys, बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोया. कल से मैं जागी हुई हूँ, कल से. Guys, We're gonna go with this scooty. My crew, she can drive, thankfully. Wow, so good. This is just so good. Wow. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
For the location dyan, not half.
Is it fine if I take your face?
Of course.
Yay! You're so good in writing, man. Woohoo! कितना मजा आ रहा है मुझे ना सालों के बाद स्कूटी पे. Oh my god, look at me guys. Oh my god. Vlog करवा रहे हैं हमारे लिए.
चलो भागते हैं.
चलो भागते हैं. Guys, हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए. Everyone is coming out and we are going in. एक बार देखने दीजिए ना सर प्लीज.
नहीं नहीं आगे हो जाओ.
म्यूजियम जा सकते हैं.
सब बंद हो गया. टाइम है पास में सब बंद हो गया.
किस्म किस्म के लोग होते हैं मैन. We came all the way to see this place. Head north. And then it's already closed. So right now we're here. कितना सुंदर है. हम तो बिल्कुल नहीं सोए. मेरा आँख को देख के लग रहा होगा बिल्कुल नहीं सोए. हम सोया था यहाँ में आके थोड़ा प्रे करेगा बोल के, क्योंकि ना बहुत दिन हो गया प्रे नहीं किए हम. दिस इज जस्ट अ म्यूजियम एंड द एक्चुअल चर्च वाज दैट वन, और वो बंद हो गया है. It's okay, I'll just pray here. Like, God is everywhere anyways, so I'll just pray here. No thak gaya guys. Look at my view by the way. I'm so exhausted, so give me some time to pray. Iske baad, I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh, this is small papu. And after that, 3 more minutes to go back, and then we were planning to go like some kind of restaurant, so let's see if I'll be alive till then. Okay, let me pray guys. I really wanted to see this, but then it's already closed. Oh my god. पानी चाहिए मैम, पानी. What's the time right now?
6:34.
Oh my god, I'm so exhausted guys. I'm so exhausted. I don't know what's happening. मेरा तो पेड़ ऐसे ही चल रहा है. Oh my god, पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया गाइस. पुश करना पड़ेगा ना अभी.
नहीं मैं करवा रहा हूँ.
और मुझे उतरो बोल के धक्का मारना पड़ेगा. ये बैग रखने का जगह है क्या? Bro, wait! Wait for me! यहाँ से आना है. You want me to push? Wait, I'll push, no? You make my video, no? I want to push. दो ना, मुझे पुश करने दो ना प्लीज. मुझे भी पुश करने का मन है. लगा के रख दिया. How do I do it? Oh my god, she's so strong. This guy is following us. One more. Wait. I'm from Arunachal Pradesh.
They look similar to Chinese.
I'm from Punjab sir.
God, look at me. Oh my god. Hi guys. तो मैं वापस आने के बाद रेडी करके फ्रेश अप होके now we are going somewhere out to have food. तो अंधेरा हो गया है, so I might not take the video. Let's see if I could, and I'm just telling you guys beforehand that I might not be able to take the after this wala part. But by the way, I'm just wearing the same thing. Guys, I haven't slept for I don't know, more than 30 hours, but I'm enjoying. We're here. Finally, hotel पहुंच गया. And I'm finally going to sleep. After more than 30 hours, I guess. Finally सोने वाला है हम. Okay guys, good night. Good morning guys. Look at my view. My food. Guys, I'm gonna go for a swim now even after having a cold because I really like swimming और मुझे swimming करना है ये pool में. Puli. Please come on. Wow. मेरा भी करना है एक बार. It's already recording हो गया. थोड़ा ऊपर से खींचना. कितना अच्छा लगता है. I'm gonna try my best. Let's go. करते रहो, पुश करो अपने आप को. ठीक आया. होता है क्यों नहीं होता है? क्यों मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? हाँ, काम रहो.
Go. Take a deep breath. मुंह हाथ रखो, मूवमेंट बनाओ. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
स्विम करके हो गया गाइस. मैंने अभी खाना भी ऑर्डर कर लिया, स्विमिंग भी हो गया, खाना भी ऑर्डर कर लिया और I have like 1 hour or something and then I'll have to get ready and I have to go for my flight. आज 4 सेक्टर करने वाले हैं, 4 फ्लाइट करने वाले हैं and then I'll be landing in Bangalore. Yeah, I had fun. Thank you. Thank you sir. तो हाँ हो गया. I was actually thinking of going to the beach. गोवा में आने के कभी बीच नहीं गया. Last time भी आया था उसमें भी बीच नहीं जा पाया. Anyway, it's okay. I had so much fun. Say hi.
Hi.
Obviously, I'm video calling him while getting ready. Shush your face.
Yeah.
So wash your face.
No, I just got up.
Okay guys, अभी हम ready हो गए हैं. Ordered. See, इतना ज़्यादा दिया है. This is my grilled chicken. Doesn't look like tiramisu cake, any one of them. So I'm having this, guys.
2 minutes. Go.
I've never done anything like this. Muted. I mean, but okay, a joke. Mr. Stevens, I'd like to meet my friends. This is
Okay guys, we're leaving now. Bye. Bye GOA. Bye my room. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you all enjoyed my video, enjoyed watching my video. Please be updated for my next one. I love you all. Bye. Bye 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 bye.